Tino. Me a bit and from another Mishati who comments about Emmanuel Antwi. So with the being an ESCO member there, I can mention his name. I saw a video of Achi. Also ordinary to say Kotoko and Pena Omunjano na Onko. Me bonity because he's an ESCO member. And now on also the now to discussion and a whole lot of things. Today, he said, Chelsea say Liam Delap.
He
should not come closer to the first team training.
Wow.
Unse Kruma say no.
Also, they know a time of 1 hour. Okay.
Ending of this month.
Okay.
Unse Kruma say no. I set our own rules when asam no on interest to ma. Unse uti asam ni ya. Nipa no. O interest was no set different rules.
Number for
yeah, no that discussion. No. Only interest for moi, number of their discussion is different. The same people who comes and analyze the foreign issues, how it is done. Foreign and or kind of different. But I say Kotoko and as a has as a man, and so the way they discuss it is different. Tino. Me say I love to on Peliam Delap na onko reserves on onko training because onyano so why why I say on near training to see when he is preparing weekend ya or Chelsea be on Monday or one the first game eti me here no the entity say oba bata me train when I say me plan Tino me here eti find a way you go and tell the reserve team your team na mpemfo na team no if they agree on terms we sell you and you go okay who ka Jadon Sancho Manchester United Emma na fi no ne nkola na training for almost 6 months. Yeah, didn't chance. What's here with the reserve team? But so many a Chaneka because almost the first team, no. Yeah, here, train. We are paying you. Say, when you are training the reserve team, and just a team in Tioka. Between you player, any team who is losing, because entry is on almost 10,000 a month. And do you know when we are entry, and the entry look at one lose, Tino. Because every man, they are paying you 10,000 Ghana cedi for not playing football for them. Marcus Rashford, say okay. Every two no. Oh yes, team ni here. Team with the junior first reserve team, but first team in their own count. Another example, say okay, Remy Sterling. Chelsea, Enzo Maresca. On Sidabi, I don't need you in the team. Team with the reserve team. Raheem Sterling is training with reserve team now until January. Onya Mr. Feyenoord and Oko Netherlands and Oko Honum. Eti minimum why all of a sudden people go for interest in events Emmanuel Antwi story no. Why Kotoko Emmanuel training with the reserve team? And again, anya no kwese ye man program ya he was asked to train with the reserve team. So that is the program. What program?
No, you two like a saying. I know people say, fitness and as you've been to our canal, in Kahona, maybe
make it not south of that store, and you know, fitness. Team in Yano Mujano, I see, on common plan.
And you know, okay,
on Kaplan.
It won't be quite an internal or lose over just there. Mon permedia, and one year, and you're not watching me in Hey, so when you say, and I was a memo example, and I don't follow me. You follow by the mem, Jen say, you cannot tell them that you have a moment call, and you so you're doing, and you pay. For yes, I know.
sir mum pere mama nko
ne ba sa de za ka unjetia ne yedie so sa mo twa ne kan to wontra bench sa
tino answer me more example I'm saying no
okay
for no go wa dina ba o
odi ma jo to so ai
nipa no eyo kotoko player you understand you can have moral discussions so morally abia no kotoko den ka achopa den eno ne over moral aspect of the discussion but you have a contract with kotoko and kotoko say enemy ya no you are not part of the plan train with the junior team that is the program they have given you etade now tino TSMB only why all of a sudden confine interest in Emmanuel Antwi if anything asem no only one confine interest on this year 2 months ago my 2 months ago before even season started and pre-season and started and a positive one Emmanuel Antwi every BBR.
Okay.
So he's done with them, personal them, everything. He's done with positive.
To be my pressure, na ye.
So
okay.
Kotoko should release you. I'm cancel contract now. Then go and sign. Why are people not also advising the boy say team now person okon. So person ko baby. I then say uncle for now hypocrites. Omodo mara tum na nyatwom. And Kotoko njaba boy na nkono. Why are they not also telling the boy say go and tell that team na okon and say omo Kotoko omo meto no falonko. And Kotoko no or charity organization. Mebato is Kotoko a charity organization.
Kotoko so the one can so mama obi ati as this time around. Omo play bia nko for free. Omo the needful ba say we ni omo nyina se menim se na make omo ya jo omo nsensemu
so mo njai no
no nkwa de kwa meka
adesi na the issues Emmanuel Antwi ya all contract Kotoko so omo nka so mapam no go and play with the reserve team
okay
so officer when your team na person okwa my team ni me Kotoko no Kotoko nya discussion they should pay and take you away but you want to satisfy your selfish interest what you sign on physical antino now oma unkrofo unse no my Kotoko when you woman na munko kangum Kotoko pressure and enja no nko Kotoko enja ne enja no chana if he wants to go team na person okono they should call Kotoko have discussion with Kotoko omunfo be mbeto aka na one year contract to see Kotoko and pay then take him away dan say I say yenko say nsanchefo bi achi na omuma Kotoko pressure na Kotoko release Antwi Kotoko will not buy into that pressure if he wants to leave na team ni epena with as simple as ABCD they know the contact of Kotoko they should write to Kotoko ye hear Emmanuel Antwi ye beji mu say ye beji say discuss up and down oh finally you've agreed on the figure na mo mfa nko but sir agrada na ka
monkey
akwai chairman bi signature akwai chairman bi signature one day say you guys essential
Matias let me yanti here Matias me say ela za I say jump professor one
but that is all and Antwi the camp on the person no I'm for Antwi edoko
it's a pastor I can question wa we going to attack him come okay pa na me go near but that's pa good now it will be that was you stitches was it thank you Zakito enti say now predictions quick one met was way
top 4 Arsenal Chelsea Man City Hotspurs
Chelsea
Man City Hotspurs
City hey that don't matter some sir oh yeah sure
oh yeah
you dear I could go finish it
oh not playing in the Champions League will play to the advantage.
No so ka homo.
Yeah.
Okay, but what say?
As a man for careful.
Teams
no one said any Europe bono. How much the any Kwesiada on Benya Monday. On the Champions League football. Champions for me about Saturday, Sunday. Both of the Ombo champion, I'm gonna go Mondays. I'm called for one. Tony no year pie or me hard.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Tino fans back, man. Daniel Aqua, God bless you, Zakito. You were saying the truth. He even didn't report on time in disciplined player. Daniel Aqua, the no. Young company.
Of Asamba.
Confront him, bro.
Oh, David. I am no position who is sending with me a Kebiama. The biggest problem was that we had an issue, say, Asante Kotoko, your host is CA. Ebiananka players nibu went to me enjoy more coin or more do more salaries whilst playing football will be an issue. It looks like the management is ready. It looks like they are ready.
Na kwamba so eboa Kotoko.
Once now you share the finances of the club.
Okay.
It looks like they are ready. Maybe omona SBB so. Because some may release the boys nibi.
Yeah.
And I mean okay say Kotoko release the Prince Bedu. Bedu was engaging Karelax or the Abani. The band by Kamenyanya our story to follow up in who's after the ban or fine and also fine. But not the Karela food didn't come up of our say. And Tomorrow releases some of the players. So why haven't they released entry? Maybe there is something that we don't know. See, I think they say, oh, you're got fana. Okay. Over a very piano, any position is so take. Number one, board ya bakotokwe. As I said, with me, Pequia, over tower, which is waiting. We can criticize them, for instance, midway. I'm still not okay with this board not having a PR team. Though David is in charge of brands and partnership. But if I see now, you're corner cabinet 3 weeks, you're common got still in a PR department solid sano. Now, of our directed narrative, no me, I'm not okay with it. And the two means of our non Kotkofona Tiagum. Among common mudia democracy cap, ye beshe. What kind of baby will be say, why am I sounding like a loser? And I'm saying, baby, a brand new woman. And found a match at Kotkobo. Nkomodieni ye beshe. Nkomodieni ye, dear Kotoko she brabe has and ye sheno. And ye brabe has ye beshe. Of Ambatuatin Kobanase. Intimin Kaminya. There is a PR unit at director Sadian. Most of us say, I sound like somebody who's always ready for defeat. Debbie, coach number for Frafin, yes, team. Such style of promotion say, Yebeshe Mombra, as a say free ho. You must find new ways of convincing the Kotoko fan to come to the stadium to support the team, not only if the team is winning. Into be PR unit in the Hiamepa. But for criticizing who we are, there are certain things or more. I see a tenacity in your case. Hemo. You will mujidi. Sometimes you need to sit back and trust the people leading the project. So system no more be. I'm not saying come across what system no. And over Monte. Kwame Poko to Quechemana. So official to go to Kwame Poko the anymore. Zach Momboame. Omunchem. Didn't know Munchem. Maybe I'm not see so. Anna. So Kwame cried and cried a bantamo. But they didn't officially go to Quenche. Maybe I'm not see so. I think to go to 10 years. The brain I hear do baby, or the homena casse. Can mean a fair wababe so steer number about me a dahel. Fame como mujidi. That is where we've got into. Because the decisions made, for instance, over Tinkler Urbano may now be an Olympian to be a mechanic of a many problem. Over the Bella mechanic say, me yanka coach in Embrantem. Nanka last bear 4 matches to end the season. My problem was Obabano near a BB near so no Pamunipa, which may not mean in support of it. Tinkler by of our I mean who say Kunyan Sankope because one and Kobe monitor players be because clearly or your coach on who are on tier you be back. Obeso whom majority of the players or sign you watch them. He has something special or perfume one son of our kind of team. No, and Tikonya and can be about 4 matches to end the season or back Krumha. Come, I'm telling you, Sanka Kotoko recruitment come every. And number 2, sir, 3 weeks no best spending with Kruma or this Sunday or more Hanosono. Who are Sunday so that I dance on a season of career or the Kwajachi. Think can you see a starting preseason and Kobe Sonny and so. But that gives me the confidence that he's a manager that pays attention to details, even the little things. Oh, ignore. Because your coach is on my back room here. On my list, down a report that Pamu players without looking at them, and he gives certain players second chance. On my BIA medicals, player BIA or could be a medicals, including no more. Now you bet me a catty and Yakasa could compam or BIA medicals. Messi Kotoko supporters came maybe pen and Comekas and Pamu Walid and the coach in the starting level under the number 10. Also, Mekacho said, players me also, I feel like I said, players me no coach, not Kajo to win your now Walid Nentry. Once entering Koye, just a yet you understand, men who buy and engage Tinkler. Yeah. Coach in the ball over 4-2-3-1. Sure. Position a here on the number 10. Obi obeti boy Gina Swan no on the adwene at the because opemi enu de ne adi ni mpaase kakra no apedi ogina fifi on na kire se nkwa ani membre akiri enya na Walid enya team magina no Kotoko supporters en nke mo chance om ka se Walid nko ena Walid wo enti ede na Antwi wo de wanti azen semne ya na ye kan kakra na wo se opemi ni pa yeah of what bia to nchen yeah enti boys no mo ankasa ka ho omo ankasa kan because we die se na wo pepa ne pa so obebo Kotoko over enke breni nie for every so coach Abaro say forget about the report of the government masama okonya that's still yes so what I say enti yanko anim na Ruben Hennessy there over me na mo won me ne cast last time me scout ba ku kroma dinko okay dem say media ma awie enti me na no so ko media makra enti na store ne ba na ma me nya check no say there be media man na nyamba so say Hennessy wo ho dia say wo kofa oba nkanya Tinkler ne menzo se no me so tough no krank Hennessy nye player oba onye player krank so your observation debi amamre but to be why na say the ato because in our league so ko nations bo bebre ana Simpson e bono na ya branch e fe no o se kofo because se kofo no na ekọ ni gidigidi na Simpson e den e prechiri saa so na wokọ Lions Hennessy na na ebo wa kọ ni gidi first to the ball I say Kotoko no samba na ablo nti o se na ablo di yellow card chen samba because ablo na e dirty work na samba na e prechiri saa na Hennessy ntia na Ebenezer aba na prechiri. So if he is available, he is a top signing. The last 6 years from Division 1 or Tema Youth. I'll be signing 3 years my Lions also. He's coming as a free agent. Okay, Lions boys don't contract on over. Was why consistent with league. 1 mile cry and yet 25 matches. That is the statistics in the last 3 years. Into the medicals no a fitter. League no more experience the of okay. Because me do another yam shimaka. Isa Yakubu no aboy kuruma de ba no etu kwan. E na bini man so no. Ono so etu kwan. It why how partner mo mienu a do ablo ne samba no. E fa beginning die but of enya ni nyina na be dey. E be kokro jensa. Etu nya obi ono no gina league mu dada. Now the man bini man won nchen ha. Uze be konko fu mu. Nfa dey akara ma mo. But I say the only say Kwame ima